Okay, so hi everybody, my name is Zain Zaman. I am the co-founder of the Education Lab, and this video is going to be one of the many videos that the Education Lab is going to do on D1 Math. So we're going to start with the first chapter and go all the way down until the end of the book. So without further ado, let's get started. Chapter 1, and what we're starting off with are multiples. So what are multiples? Multiples are basically values in a numbers multiplication table. So when I ask you to find the multiples of a number like 4, all you're doing behind the scenes is something like this. Let's get a different color to list down the multiples. So let's start with what is 4 into 1? That's 4. And 4 is the first multiple of 4. Next we have 4 into 2, which is 8. So the next multiple is 8. 4 into 3 is 12. After 8 you have 12. 4 into 4 is 16. So after 12 you have 16. And then 4 into 5 is 20. So you write 20 next. And this can keep going on and on forever. The main thing to see in this case is all this is 4's multiplication table. And when somebody asks us to write down the multiples, all we're doing is we're listing these values down like this. So the first multiple is just 4 into 1. Second is 4 into 2, the third one is 4 into 3, 16 is 4 into 4, and 20 is just 4 into 5. Let's try with a different number now. Let's try 7. So let's list down 7's multiples. So 7 into 1 is 7. 7 into 2 is 14. 7 into 3 is 21. 7 into 4 is 28. 7 into 5 is 35. And this list keeps going on and on forever. So now the main question is, when do we stop? When do we stop listing down these multiples? So in that case you have two basic reasons to stop. You'll see two kinds of questions. First, it's going to be something like list down the first 5 or 10 multiples of a number. And the other reason you'd want to stop would have to do with LCMs, which we will cover in the next video. But the main takeaway from this video is, what are multiples? Multiples are values in a number's multiplication table. So when somebody asks you to find the multiples of a number like 7, 8, 5, whatever number that may be, all you're doing is you're listing down that number's, let's say for example 5's multiplication table in a list like this. So you're doing 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, and you keep going on until they've asked you to stop. So that's going to be all for multiples. This is the main concept for multiples, and the reason why you study multiples is going to be clear when you study LCMs, which you'll see in the next video. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.